Welcome to spring semester, Art of Sound. And just to start, Western Sydney acknowledges the peoples of the Darug, Tharawal, Euroa and Wiradjuri nations. We also acknowledge that teaching and learning currently delivered across our campuses is a continuance of the teaching and learning that's occurred on these lands for tens of thousands of years. I should also add the music. Today, very, very fortunately, we have Tessa and Brendan Boney, who perform as Microwave Jenny. You may have heard their songs if you watched Offspring on Channel 10 or Gods of Wheat Street or other things. The film of Brand New Day, which I saw and enjoyed your music in that. It's just beautiful. So I won't talk anymore. Please welcome Microwave Jenny.
Thank you.
We also have a third member today. It's a trio. Yeah. His name is Milton. I'm sure he'll be clapping and singing along.
This is just how it is. This is just how it is. We usually there's someone who comes with us and keeps him busy and company, but you know, life and things. So he's a part of the show now. It's just how we do it. Yay! Ready? Good?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you ready? Yeah.
Yeah, bye, bada bing, da baby. You took your time getting here, and those people that walked through that door before you disappeared when you walked in. Somehow it seemed, yeah, your clothes, they match my party decorations like a dream. But you don't know about it, how much I think about it. My hands touching your hands, touching every way. And when the bottle starts to speak, and I'll be making sure we're right more than the other end. And all the crazy, crazy things that I would do if I were locked in the closet with you. Yeah, bye. And then I move, so I'm alone, and I hook you with my imaginary line that I have thrown, and then the lights, they start to dance, and while we're making conversation, I am making plans. But you don't know about it, how much I think about it. My hands touching your hands, touching every way. And when the bottle starts to speak, and I'll be making sure for right more than the other end. And all the crazy, crazy things that I would do if I were locked in the closet. Within my mind, we're in there kissing. Everybody's out there wishing they were in here too, with somebody just like you. Don't know about it, how much I think about it. My hands touching your hands, touching every way. And when the bottle starts to spin, and I'll be making sure I'm more than the other end, and all the crazy, crazy things that I would do if I were locked in the closet. If I were locked in the closet. If I was locked in the closet with you. Yeah, bye-bye. Ba-da-bee-da-ba-ba-ba, baby. Bye-bye. With you, you. He's also our little cuer, so you know when to clap when he claps. This is so lovely. Thanks for having us back here. I think the last time we were here, we were just having a discussion was maybe like 2014, possibly, or earlier.
Yeah.
And we're still going. So this next one is Stuck on the Moon. I think they actually used this for Chopper when they did the
Underbelly.
Underbelly.
Chopper, the Underbelly TV series. This song, which doesn't make any sense when you hear the song.
When you hear Microwave Jenny, you don't really think that our music would go on a show like Chopper, but it did.
Yes, this next love song is on Chopper. Underbelly. Might not believe that these words are my own, but I wrote this myself so your mind would be blown. If what I felt for you was kept on a boat, there's not enough water to keep it afloat. If every word I wrote made you wanna smile, I'd write a list of words as long as the night. And never stayed so far that I had to shout. I'd follow you round and won't shut my mouth. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a cord and you wrapped inside. You'd wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go. If you're only happy if I went away, I'd dig a hole in the moon and inside I'd stay. I'd take a pencil and some paper too, and think of the perfect words to write to you. I'd take all the lines from your favorite songs and write a new favorite and you sing along. Then I'd pencil in your favorite cartoon and he'd stand before millions and sing you this tune while I'm stuck on the moon. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a
inside. You'd wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go.
No, I won't let you
Go, dee dee, dee dee dee, dee dee
Too cute.
Thank you.
There, so you can see how that works. That song just then for the last.
So I think it was a tiny little bit where someone was a baby. Someone was a baby, and it was a tiny little clip of a baby in a cot, and that was it. Yeah, my name is Tessa, by the way. I don't know if I was too busy like hooking him up at the introduction, but I'm Tessa. I was born on the South Coast. I grew up on the Central Coast, and that's pretty much where my family is now. Brendan's from Wagga.
Yeah, Wagga.
And we met at the School Spectacular in like 2004, I think. I was just finishing school. Brendan was 1 year out of school, and we were both singing in that. And then it started from there. Anyway, that's just a little bit of trivia before the next song.
A little bit of microwave Jenny trivia. One of yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
New boy in town?
Yeah, sure.
So we moved over to London for a year, and we wrote and recorded this there, and it's called New Boy in Town. The new boy in town, unlike any other, his eyes are so brown. I bet he loves his mother, sets every girl's heart to race. But I'm the one who's in first place. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, away with your charms. He don't want you no more. Why can't you just see that he looks better dancing next to me? Next to me. I cannot wait to go out to see my lover. It seems I'm too late. He's dancing with another. There's somebody new in town, making my men mess around. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, away with your charms. He don't want you no more. Why can't you just see that he looks better dancing next to me? Next to me. Now she's on to someone new, but she don't know that he's mine too. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Thank you.
He looked like he was falling asleep.
If he does fall asleep, don't clap at the end of the song. Everyone just. Cool. What do you want to do now? We have so many songs now that now it's kind of like hard to choose what we're going to do next. We really should write them down.
Yeah. Set lists.
Yeah, I'll do that one.
If you want.
In tribute of how we played such a long time ago, we're going to do a really old one. This is called Summer. That's right. Oh, how marvelous is a day outside. Go out and stay out for hours and hours on end. I remember days like these in December. We stay out on the beach till our hair got some bleached, and your parents would call the police saying, "Oh, where has summer gone? She's always gone for way too long. Summer." There were nights out at 10, we'd put the lights out, pretend to be asleep, and then we'd creep out the back door. And then we stroll down streets with all their blinds down, singing songs of love and life till we get in strife, and your parents would call the police saying, "Oh, where has summer gone? She's always gone for way too long. Summer, come on home. Oh, where has summer gone? She's always gone for way too long. Summer." It's been a while now, soon she will be over. How well I used to know her. We used to get along so well. Oh, where has summer gone? She's always gone for way too long. Summer, come on home. Oh, where has summer gone? She's always gone for way too long. Summer. Bye, 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 bye.
this set's just going to turn into one long medley.
One long
'Cause-
lullaby.
I know this kid, and as soon as that guitar stops, he'll wake up.
We're just gonna keep on going.
Try and link this into another song, yeah?
This one is called We'll Be Fine. We wrote this. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's a lie. No. This is I Need a Woman. Baby, when can I start counting on you? Instead of counting to 100, baby, while you run away and hide, so I won't find you. All of the chasing and none of the kissing. Playtime's over and need you to listen, baby. When can I start counting on you? I don't have enough time to be wasting, baby. Are you gonna stay or keep on running? 'Cause whenever we seem to have enough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a woman. Go on, it's fine. Make up a problem and then you make up your mind. You don't wanna leave, but you won't stick around. If love is a place, you're the other side of town. I don't have enough time to be wasting, baby. Are you gonna stay or keep on running? 'Cause whenever we seem to have a rough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a woman. Do I matter to you the way you matter to me? Do I happen to you the way you happen to me? Do I matter to you the way you matter to me? Do I happen to you the way you happen to me? I don't have enough time to be wasting, baby. Are you gonna stay or keep on running? We seem to have a rough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a woman. I don't have enough time to be wasting, baby. Are you gonna stay or keep on running? Whenever we seem to have a rough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a woman.
I mean, it feels weird not clapping and just playing forever. I don't know. Like,
This is good. This
are we all
will
cool
work.
with this? We're just gonna keep cruising through.
Just one big clap at the end that just like. This is called 50,000 Carats. 50,000 carats overnight to Paris. Maybe not, but baby, we try. For worse or for better, split that rent forever, baby. Dirty laundry hung out to dry. Praying for our misfortune, only 'cause you want this too. No can do. Ooh, ooh, they want what we got, we got, we got. They want what we got, we got. Whatever we do, they wanna do it too. They want what we got. Takes me out for dinner, won't let me get thinner. Unconditionally adored. Smothers and ignores me, hardly ever bores me, baby. Keep each other coming for more. The kind of thing they wish they could borrow. Whatever we're doing tomorrow, they'll follow. Ooh, ooh, they want what we got, we got, we got. They want what we got, we got. Whatever we do, they wanna do it too. They want what we got, we got. Keep off the lawn, we're trying to keep the grass as green as your envy. Causing a frenzy. My accomplice, my alibi. It's easy to see why. Ooh, ooh, they want what we got, we got, we got. They want what we got, we got. Whatever we do, they wanna do it too. They want what we got, we got. They want what we got, we got, we got. They want what we got, we got. Whatever we do, they wanna do it too. They want what we got, we got. What we got, we got. This one is called Milk. Also, we're just singing, so if we need to stop or you need to go, that is fine. Give us a little when it's time for the questions, okay? Okay. I've gotten ready, hair done and makeup, been in the taxi. You want to break up, left to pretend in front of your friends we're fine. I planned forever, then you remember some bold October that you're not over, fighting battles already won and lost. on spilling milk, trying to make me cry. No matter what you try, I swear I'm getting by. I'm no cookie, I don't crumble that way. No matter what you say, you get no tears today. You get no tears. You get no tears. Why do you pleasure my lack of leisure? You think this pressure leads to a treasure. I think you'll find I'm already a diamond. You keep on spilling milk, trying to make me cry. No matter what you try, I swear I'm getting by. I'm no cookie, I don't crumble that way. No matter what you say, you get no tears today. You get no tears. You get no tears. It's alright, we know you like clapping in your mind, yeah. This one is called We'll Be Fine. We wrote this one for our wedding. And we sang it at the wedding and we saved on the band.
Just a mattress on the floor. I've got love and you've got more. There's a tent packed in my car. We've got friends with big backyards. So if we don't pay the rent on time, we'll be fine. I know it's ridiculous, but if our friends get sick of us, we could just go traveling. I can play and you can sing. So if we end up in Liechtenstein, we'll be fine.
They say someday we're bound to run out. But if we do, I won't run out on you. When the power just won't start, we've got fire in our hearts. It's enough to keep us warm. warm with just a mattress on the floor. So if we don't pay the rent on time, if we end up in Liechtenstein, if we don't make another dime, we'll be fine. Maybe some of you have never heard of us before, but if you have heard of us before, is there something that you wanted to hear today? Otherwise, we'll just choose something. But don't yell it out. No. Okay, we'll just choose. We have to stop because he's got to put the cable on. I just seen her face, I can't forget the time or place where we just met. She's just the girl for me, and I want all the world to see we've met. Had it been another day, I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. But as it is, I'll dream of her tonight. Die, 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 die. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I have never known the likes of this. I've been alone and I have missed things and kept out of sight, but other girls were never quite like this. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I just seen her face, I can't forget the time or place where we just met. She's just the girl for me, and I want all the world to see we've met. Had it been another day, I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. But as it is, I'll dream of her tonight. Die, 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 die. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Falling, yes, I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. Me back again. Me back again. You're okay. He's had a good nap. Thank you.
That's long enough. Thank you so much. Thanks for
Thank
coming
you.
to hang out with us and
I think if
share some music.
anyone had like questions or anything you wanted to ask, don't be shy. I just did a set holding a whole baby. It's pretty cool. / haven't done that before. Yes.
Can I just say, being able to sing like that with a baby over all your muscles that you
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I definitely am I'm working a sweat right now. That was a workout.
That was nuts.
That was full on workout. Thank you. That was a statement though.
Yeah.
A lovely statement. You can ask anything. Like, we've been around for a while. If you're into music or whatever, just ask away. Yeah.
Do you guys just do duo work or do you do full band setups as well?
Oh, so we do so much. We have done a full band setup. We've done a gig at Town Hall with a huge band and like quartet and heaps of stuff behind us, which is amazing. I love that. If we could afford to do that all the time, that is what we would do. But for now, this is what we can afford. But yeah, we do. I also do my own pop music, and so does Brendan. And Brendan works in the theatre doing sound and composition. So yeah, all sorts. We do this because it's easy.
Easy to set up.
Easy to set up, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What was School Spectacular 2004 like? Just as cheesy
Do
as
you
it is now.
mean backstage?
Still.
Or
Am I still on? 2018.
Oh, so Brendan and I were both part of a thing that's called the TDP, which is like a talent development program, which is so different, I think, now than it was when we were in it.
Yeah.
We're a bit of a rowdy bunch.
Oh, dear. That's loud.
School spec though, it was fun. I remember that.
It was,
I mean,
yeah.
that's where we met, and then we got married, and then we had babies. So.
It used to be held at there was a place called the Sydney Entertainment Centre down in Haymarket, right near Chinatown.
Which is definitely not there anymore.
It's not there anymore. No, it's all apartments and stuff. But it was awesome. They used to get like 40,000 people.
Look, I remember it being really fun.
Yeah. I always remember it being so much fun and thinking it sounded amazing and we're all the best, and then getting home and watching it on TV.
Being like, I thought I was better than that.
Is that what I sound like? I need to rethink
I
that.
remember they made me sing like the Black Eyed Peas, like some rap part in the Black Eyed Peas, and I thought that was odd because I'm pretty sure my audition was like Etta James, which could not be further from Appity App with a VIP. Like,
Yeah.
anyway, it was definitely a.
I haven't seen it in a while. So 2018, you said you did it?
Yes, I was part of not the main choir there from Cameron, but
Yeah, those choirs get huge. They're so fun. And I think I don't know if this is still the case, but when we did it, it was the biggest variety show. So not just like schools, but like the biggest variety show in the Southern Hemisphere. And not like that, yeah. And it was like just ridiculous. That was before like Zoom and stuff too when we did it. So there were schools learning dances and stuff from all over the state.
I remember Human Nature sang one of the years that we played there.
So, yeah, that was so fun. Yeah.
And also in that same year, I don't know if you know like Angus and Julia Stone. They were also in that year. I don't know if you listen to their music, but
Yeah.
I think Brendan sang what with them? With Angus?
Angus and I sang, what did we sing? What is it? It's Hunters and Collectors, The Holy Grail. Is that the song?
So there you go. If you go back through the archives, you'll find Brendan and Angus singing.
Used to go and hang out at his house. There's a guy called, so many people do the School Spectacular and go on to do really cool stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
It's actually a pretty great program.
yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
Doesn't sound like it. Thank
No.
you from us.
Thank
To
you.
you.
Thanks for
welcome.
having
To
us.
you three. Thank you to Milton for coming
Yay.
along,
Thank you.
providing
Good job,
entertainment as
Milton.
well.
Smashed
Yeah,
it, man.
good on you, Milt. Great job.
There he is.
And hopefully we can see you again in another,
Oh.
you know.
Oh, absolutely.
Seven,
eight
We
years.
will have a lot of things coming up. We're planning on writing another Microwave Jenny EP, which has been a while
Yeah.
since we've done. So yeah, thanks.
So
Thanks
beautiful.
for
That was
having
just wonderful. Thank you. Please.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so on our socials, you can just look up Microwave Jenny. It's fairly new because I just reopened our page. But I'm Tessa Thames official. Thames like the river, and he's the magpie swoop. So yeah, look us up and send us photos, or if you took a video today, that'd be awesome if you tagged us in it. So thanks. Sorry, go.